welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and delicious. Today I'm sharing my go-to recipe for the perfect honey garlic lemon chicken. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with you. Hi kitchen fan, welcome to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely finger-licking good. If you are new here, hi, hello and welcome to the fam. Don't forget kitchen fan, welcome to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely finger licking good. If you are new here, hi, hello and welcome to the fam. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit that notification bell because trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, we are going big today, starting with a whole chicken. Yes, the whole chicken. So make sure it is clean, calm and well behaved. We don't want any trouble in our pan. Now for the magic seasoning. Grab your chicken seasoning, ginger powder, chili powder, salt, soya mix, curry powder, paprika and a splash of oil. Then mix everything together until it is well combined, ready for the massage. So massage the chicken like you mean it. Mix it until every bite is soaked in flavor. Then it is oven time. Grill at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour and 30 minutes. We are looking for that golden brown greatness. Once it is out and golden like sunshine, chop it into manageable pieces because no one wants to rest it with a whole leg. Time for that sauce. In a pan, heat a bit of oil and toss in some sliced onions and carrots. Give them a little spare moment, saute till soft and fragrant. Next, go in with red bell pepper and red onions. Color and crunch coming through. Keep stirring until everything is softened like butter. Season time again. Throw in oregano, curry powder, season cube, thyme and salt. Stir till you hear your stomach growling. Now go with little water and cover the sauce and let it simmer for just a bit so the flavors become besties. Finally, add your chicken, piece by piece like royalty entering the palace. Stir and cut it lovingly until everything is glassy, juicy and ready to break the heart. Cover again for a few seconds and boom, your full flavor stir-fried chicken is ready to serve and steal the spotlight. So fam, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Hi kitchen fam, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious. If you are new here, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with your fellow food lovers. Today we are diving into a combo that slaps harder than Monday morning. Oven grilled chicken with golden chips. So let's get this juicy goodness rolling. First, my chicken already clean and behaving. For the marinade magic, I'm using chicken season cubes, soya maize, curry powder, salt, ginger powder, soy sauce, and little splash of oil. Mix it all up like you are in cooking competition with your ancestors watching. Then let it rest. Give it enough, 15 minutes at least. Now is the time to grill this baby in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour, which gives enough time to watch one episode of your favorite series. While that's going, let's show some love to our potatoes. Peel, wash, and slice them into a cheap sizes. Fry them till golden brown like the sunshine we all need but we complain about. Now for a quick sauce that brings everything together. Add some onions, bell pepper, blended tomato, curry powder, seasoned cubes, salt, thyme, and so on. And boom, look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Golden, juicy, behaving like it comes straight from a restaurant. Now don't leave without showing some love. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hi Kitchen Pam, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy, and delicious. Today I'm sharing my go-to recipe for the perfect honey garlic lemon chicken. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family. Let's keep the good food vibes going. So I'm starting with already clean chicken thighs. For the marinade, I'm adding chili powder, paprika, ginger powder, salt, chicken seasoning, and fresh slice of lemon. Mix well until the chicken is fully coated and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Now, pop them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, I'm melting butter and adding honey, garlic, soy sauce, and some lemon slices. Let it all caramelize and bubble into a rich, sticky glaze. Now our chicken is ready. Coat each pieces with that classy flavorful sauce. And just look at this, juicy, golden, sticky, and absolutely mouth-watering. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kitchen Pam. See you next time. Today we are making something seriously delicious, chicken pulos, also known as dambun kaza in Hausa. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with someone that loves good food. Alright, let's get right into it. So for start, I have got my clean and cut up chicken ready to go along with some slices of onions. For the magic flavor, I am using a mix of peppers, ginger powder, thyme, seasoned cube, a touch of curry, and of course a little salt for taste. Simple ingredient, big flavor. Let's get cooking. Add your chicken to the pot, then go ahead and throw all those flavorful ingredients that we just talked about. Give everything a good mix, then pour in just enough water to cook the chicken until it is nice and tender. Cover the pot and allow it to do its things, but don't forget to check in once in a while to make sure nothing is burning. Once the chicken has soaked up all that flavor and it is tender enough, it is time to smash it up using a spatula. While smashing, go ahead and take out any bones from the pot. Nobody wants surprise crunch. Keep on working until you get that perfect straight texture. Yeah, it may take a little effort, but that is the secret to get that rich flavor and totally irresistible chicken pulos. Once you have got that nice straight texture, pour in enough oil to start frying the meat. And yes, the job's not done yet. Keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. You are looking for that beautiful golden brown finish that makes chicken pulos so good. Once it is perfectly dry and looking golden, take it off the heat and let it cool down. After that, go ahead and strain it out from the oil. You can use whatever straining method that works best for you. Just then let it sit in the oil for so long. And there it is finally. Just look at this beautiful golden clouds. So flavorful, so good. You can enjoy it with rice, pasta, bread, or just a snack on its straight. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next one.